There are many powerful libraries in Python, and the specific ones that are most useful will depend on the task you are trying to accomplish. Here are some popular Python libraries that are widely used and can be powerful tools in a variety of contexts. NumPy. This library provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices of numerical data, and includes functions for performing mathematical operations on these data structures. Pandas. This library provides fast, flexible, and expressive data structures designed to make working with structured and time series data both easy and intuitive. It is a powerful tool for data preparation and wrangling. Matplotlib. This library provides functions for creating a wide range of static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. Scikit-learn. This library provides a range of tools for machine learning in Python, including functions for classification, regression, clustering, dimensionality reduction, and model selection. TensorFlow. This library is an open-source machine learning framework developed by Google. It provides a range of tools and libraries for building and training machine learning models, and is particularly well-suited for large-scale machine learning tasks. These are just a few examples of powerful Python libraries, and there are many others that may be useful for specific tasks or application domains.